How to make text bold on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your settings on your device. Now scroll down and tap on wallpapers and style. Now on this menu page, tap on fonts. Now select your desired font. Now under font size, you will find an option for font weight. Now increase the font weight. Now tap on apply. You can also go to theme store on your device. Now search for bold font and select your preferred font. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.